Today we talk about how can you sign out of your account on your RetailMeNot app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in reverse. So you just go down here. You click on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just found here logout, you just click on it here. So then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your RetailMeNot app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. I wish now you are great. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.